Hey guys, Dr. Callahan here for Prop and Stats for Semester 1, Week 5, Monday. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions. You have about 3 grades inserted into Infinite Campus right now. I typically try to insert at least 1 grade once a week. Your grade is generally always updated by Friday by 3 p.m. So make sure you are checking over the weekend if you are curious what your grade is. Your academic warning goes out this coming week for week 5. And so if your grade is not as stellar as you hope it would be, then I will highly suggest that you go back and take a look at your Unit 1 packet. You should have received the second white guided note packet, which is Unit 2 this last week, and make sure you are turning your assignments, make sure you are doing well on your quizzes. If you don't do as well, you can always retake them, and I always have extra credit on the Google Doc as well. So if you have any questions, please ask me in regards to those concerns. If you're curious how to find my website, you just go ahead and Google Dr. Natalia Callahan, and it's generally the first one that pops up. Now let's take a look at example 3 or question number 3 for your warm-up. You're asked to solve for x. You simply just cross multiply and then you divide by 7, and your answer in this case should be 24/7. Last time we went over objective number 3 on page 19. Make sure you have completed that. So the 3 things that we have covered in class for Unit 2 is the fundamental, counting principle. That's the first one. That's the one when you generally have like a factorial and you just got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we talked about permutation. And this one is when order matters. Third one we talked about is combination, or order does not matter. So those are the 3 things we talked about for Unit 2. Unit 2. So for today, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to do a quick review of the Venn diagram. We're going to make a poster. So some of the things you will need is a large poster. If you're in class, I will be handing that out. But of course, if you're not in class, you're welcome to do it on any electronic format, like a PowerPoint, a Desmos, or excuse me, you could do it on a separate piece of paper. That's completely fine as well. We're also going to be doing a gallery walk. We're going to be walking around reading other people's poster with social distancing before you leave with a rubric. There is also a quiz that we can go ahead and do in class, and then I have a video that you will need to go ahead and watch that is going to go over the differences of permutation and combination. This is going to be your poster rubric. If you are doing this virtually at home, turning your poster, I will go ahead and grade it for you. Okay, so this is the handout that I gave you guys last week that we have not used yet. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a poster representing one of these 9 questions. There are 9 questions. You can pick one for the Venn diagram. So number 1, I want you to draw the Venn diagram depicting what this question is talking about. You're going to be labeling the Venn diagram and then afterwards answering the following questions. Like for example, if you're going to pick number 4, here are the hints on people that dislike giant squid, dislike pollution, and dislike Captain Ob, which I don't know who he is, but that's okay. And then after you create the Venn diagram for number 4 and you put the numbers in there and you label them properly, these are the following 4 questions you will be answering on your poster board. I also actually included the answers for you guys as well, so if you wanted to check. and then turn this in, and I will be grading your poster project. So you'll be looking at the rubric to see how you're going to be graded. 6 different categories are worth 4 points apiece, so 24 total. Make sure your poster have all 6 worth up to 4 points apiece. Your exit ticket today is to write a text message to describe what you have learned about today. And if you did not get the notes for Unit 2, here are the examples that we went over last class. You can pause the video. And that is it for you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time.